What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new day here. It's Monday morning, and man, already slam packed with customers. Now, we just died down for a few minutes, but let me tell you, folks, it is going on 10 o'clock right now. It is moving. We're gonna sell a minivan today for $2,000 cash. I got her out in it right now. It is a Honda Odyssey minivan. I think it's like a 2004, somewhere right around there. And let me tell you about this car real quickly, folks. A 04 Honda Odyssey, navy blue. It's got 204,000 miles on it, and it's the touring package with navigation, leather, sunroof. It's got rear DVD. It's actually fully loaded. A few things that it needs fixed on it is a major thing, really. The back doors on the back, the ones that open and slide with the power option going on, the back doors do not open on the van. The only part of doors that open on the van are the two front doors and the rear hatch. So, as of right now, like she said, well, I gotta have them back doors open up to get the kids in. I understand, ma'am, but let me tell you, for $2,000, I mean, that might be all you can get is a van that don't have doors that open in the back. So we'll see what happens. There's one more option there for today. I mean, I got several cars I can sell her for $2,000, but you got to realize, folks, when you're buying a cash car for $2 grand, it's not going to be perfect. It may need a tune-up. It may have some distinct scratches. It may need some tires, but $2,000 is not a whole lot of money for a pretty decent car. The next one up on the list is a Dodge Grand Caravan, right here. Dodge Grand Caravan, not a bad van. Here comes the Honda Odyssey. Let's see what happens. How'd it drive? Y'all laughing, so that must be a good sign.
It has a shimmy.
It's got a shimmy?
Yeah.
Okay. It might be the tires, because they do need some replacing.
Well, I don't know. I know you
Yeah.
can feel it in the pedal.
Okay.
I definitely think it looks better than that.
Right.
But my concern is the shimmy and the door's not open. So let's go ahead and try this.
Okay, all right. All right, while you drive that one, I'm going to check out the other one. I'm going to check this one out. Hey, let me out. Does it shimmy when you're hitting the brakes?
No, it's when you're
just driving normally.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me get this tag off. There you go.
Listen, my husband
Oh.
it looks better.
Well,
I would prefer that one because it's it's more reliable.
right.
But definitely got to be.
Well, let me see what's going on with it real quick. I'm gonna drive it myself while y'all driving this one. Okay. All right, so we got a shimmy going on with the car when it's driving. So, what is a shimmy, right? She says you can feel it in the pedal. Well, let's hop in and see what it's all about. But one thing that's a positive thing on this Honda right here, the AC's blowing nice and cold, okay? You know, as you can tell, I mean, not a bad minivan. I mean, you got your DVD player up here on the roof, you got your sunroof right there, sunglass holders, it's got leather, I mean, heated seats. This thing is loaded. Well, let's see how it drives, because that's what we need to do, right? I mean, it's got a shimmy, shimmy shaw, shimmy shoo, like the old brother says. Let's see what's going on with the little shimmy. Little shimmy shaw, shimmy shoo. Yeah, well, you can definitely feel that 3.5 V6 under there. Let's see what's going on with this minivan. It's definitely got something going on, but we're definitely gonna check it out, but it's gonna take us a minute to do, because we got another customer pulling in, and I think I've seen him before. So we gotta hop out real quick, and we will check out the Honda Odyssey a little bit more here in a few minutes. Stay with us.